Good evening, everyone. Today we are going to have a very candid conversation with one of the most liveliest persons in Bhadrachalam, a person who lives life fullest, always bindas, and always keeps himself stress-free and happy, irrespective of the situation he is in. So let us know from him the secret of his happiness. So good evening, Mr. Naidu.
Hi Srinath, good evening.
So how? Whenever we interact with you, we always find that you are very calm and composed without any tension or whatever the situations are, you keep the tension away. So just wanted to have just know from you what are the secrets of your or mantras for your stress-free, happy situation.
No separate mantra Srinath, just actually to see, I am the follower of Sri Sri Ravishankar Guruji.
Okay.
The Guruji says actually some 5 golden rules.
Yeah.
Generally he teaches in his classes in training programs. In 2010 I attended a Art of Living basic course.
Yeah.
The basic thing they teach about is accept the people and situations as they are.
Okay.
The situations are the people, you have to accept them.
Okay.
Most of the pain comes from this only. We will not accept the people and situations. We expect what we like. But Guruji say accept how it comes as it is.
Yes.
Then only it will keep you happy.
Okay.
That's the thing I follow. So I try to follow.
Okay.
Day in, day out at the workplace or at home. This is the basic. It is by caption of WhatsApp also.
No, but it's actually interesting because how do you accept the situation as it is? Like most of the time, whenever a particular situation happens, we are very emotionally attached. So we quickly react to the situation.
Correct.
So how have you developed that whichever situation is coming, you are not emotionally attached to it, or you don't extremely react to it? For which, what is it? Because some meditation techniques
Yes.
and pranayama, those things have helped you,
Yes,
or
yes.
also, I mean, how have you gone about it?
Generally, as you rightly told, it is a practice only. Regularly, I practice some meditation courses, what we learnt in Art of Living program. Generally, if you see, I follow some morning daily. I wake up at 5 o'clock.
Yeah.
Then 5:30 I will go to the ground. 45 minutes walking. After walking, again I will come back to home, take bath. After that, again meditation. Meditation for half an hour. Regularly, as well, I am doing this regularly. I found some advantage. It gives some control on your mind.
Okay.
I believe this mind only plays everything more
Yeah.
than the physical energy and these things.
Yeah.
This mind only plays the major role. I believe and I observed during my practices of meditation and other things.
Yeah.
So that regular practice keeps me in neutral phase always.
Okay.
It keeps me calm. That's the advantage I'm getting
Yeah.
from the meditation
I
techniques.
mean, just taking a step further from the point that you said, because at least I have come across many people, they say that suppose in a particular day you have a lot of tensions, etc. Next day when you do meditation, those thoughts keep coming in the head continuously.
Correct.
And sometimes you just have to let those thoughts, without thinking on those thoughts, you just have to let the thoughts keep going away.
Correct.
And after a point of time, you become thoughtless. And that is the time when actually you get to meditate, right? So do you also
Correct.
follow something like that? Or?
Similarly, actually Guruji says same thing. Yeah, again accept as they are same thing.
Yeah.
Whatever comes to your mind, whatever the thoughts coming in your office work or personal works, any pains, just if you want to stop it, it will aggravate. So that it will
Let it
pass
go.
on.
Let it
Let
go.
it go. It come and goes. While meditation also, so many thoughts will come.
Yeah.
If you hold to the thoughts, again it is a pain to us. Just simply pass away. It will clear your mind.
Clear your mind. No, so tips for all of you. First step, first mantra for happy living is that accept things as they are. Don't emotionally react to all the situations. Let the extreme thoughts just come and go. Don't get attached. And always follow a morning routine that wake up early and do your meditation, do physical exercises. It will calm your mind. Right, sir?
Yes, I believe that.
Yes. So the next step I want to ask you is about. So we have always seen that whichever event or function or anything is there, you always enjoy it to the fullest. And also whenever you're even with your family, etc., we see you as a very complete family man. So enough time for the family, and also when you always enjoy with the family, and also whenever any function or any gathering, so you give your fullest. Is it your natural tendency like that, or you have developed it over time, or what is the reason why, what is the philosophy behind it?
Enjoy every moment. Actually, I follow the second way. Enjoy every moment. Whatever you do, enjoy whatever you do.
Right.
Suppose I am going outside. I want to be live lively with the friends at the circle. If I go into the actually, I fond of playing on the stages, some dramas or songs, whatever it may
Yes.
be. Yeah, these are all the techniques. If you say it with full josh, a song, it also gives some relaxation.
Yeah.
If you dance freely,
Yeah.
that also give relaxation.
Yeah.
These are all the things. If you whatever you do, if you enjoy that, automatically it will give you some relaxation.
Relaxation. Yes.
Automatically, it is also a meditation.
Yes.
Dancing also a meditation, singing also a meditation.
Yes.
But if you do with some fullest josh,
Yeah.
that's I believe.
Probably something like performing the karma types, you're saying.
Maybe.
Yeah. Now, how do you, at work, how do you enjoy your work? Like, for example, many people probably I have met, so whenever they are at work, they do it routine, etc. But when they come home, they enjoy. So for them, enjoyment is outside work. So many people tell work-life balance, etc., etc. So people regard life as enjoyment. Do you see enjoyment in work also, in your working atmosphere also?
In working atmosphere also, I try to do that. My colleagues also, all are not same. Colleagues, some will deliver very fast. Some effective people will be there. Some people are not that much effective. But again, same coming to the same funda. Accept people as situations. As long as you accept the people, all people, all situations, personal life, all work life.
Yeah.
It gives happiness.
Okay.
That's the in the workplace also similarly I follow.
Okay. Now I'm actually curious. Do you ever get angry?
Yes, sometimes.
So how do you manage that? So I mean, for many people, anger management is very tough because people get short-tempered, or sometimes what happens is people get angry but they don't express it and they keep it within themselves. That causes further more stress. Some people, they become over sad that they keep themselves, leads to depression and all that. So how do you manage your anger? Anger or sadness or extreme grief, how have you managed?
Anger actually I believe you should not carry anger. Anger will come spontaneously for some moment to express your disagreement or something. The angry will come, but it should not carry. Once it is finished, automatically these meditations will help for that. It can control your mind.
Yeah.
Whenever you want anger, it will come. If you don't want to carry anger, you can stop that. These meditation techniques will help for that.
Okay. You had said you like this plays, acting, etc. We have seen some of your videos in your channel also. Please all subscribe to Sir's channel, DVM Naidu, and also like all his videos. I'm a big fan of his channel. So because this Dashavataram, you have posted a video where you have enacted completely all the 10 avatars, and that was an amazing acting actually. So acting, like, probably in the place that we are working in here, we have a lot of cultural events, so therefore there you participate a lot, so probably there you are expressing your acting skills more. But how did you get into singing? Like, for example, in one of our conversations you had said that for a long time you did not sing, and probably recently then you felt that probably once both your sons got a school and all that is over, then you and probably madam felt that let us start again, and you had again rediscovered your singing probably. And how did you get back to your singing, and how did you start your channel? So tell us about that.
Um, Actually, at the childhood itself, actually, I sang some songs, a little bit school competitions.
Yes.
Telugu Veera Lavara, one Alluri Sitaram's song I sang in my
Yes.
one of 8th class or 9th class.
Yes.
I think it is my first song. Then in some NCC programs also I sang one or two. The opening for the channel is actually the appreciation. If you see, if somebody appreciates you, you will feel some happiness.
Yeah.
It will improve your happiness.
Yeah.
Similarly, that is the trigger point to starting the channel.
Yeah.
Channel means I am publishing my one song.
Yeah.
Song means actually almost suppose 200 people may watch.
Yeah.
Hardly 5 likes or 10 likes may come.
Yeah.
That also will boost your energy.
Energy.
It will give some happiness.
Yeah.
If somebody are patting you, obviously you will get some happiness.
Yeah.
With that happiness, you will get that health improvement. I believe that.
Yeah.
So that to get the appreciation, you have to publish your skills.
Yes.
Then all people may not like.
Yeah.
At least 5 or 6 pattings, 2-3 pattings also will support you.
Yeah.
You can grow. It will keep you happy.
Yeah.
With that intent, I started this channel. For coming to me, my wife also supporting. She also danced with me for 2 songs.
Yes. Yes.
She given me company for one song.
Yeah. So your Buttabuma song is like.
What song actually? I never expected. Yeah, almost 7,000 likes were there for that song. I didn't imagine that much popularity will come. Who has watched that? I don't know.
Yes.
That was the highest likes we got.
But do you, like, coming to that question, do you think you need external people to appreciate you to build happiness, or is happiness coming from inside or outside also matters?
While singing, that happiness comes. I am practicing. Actually, if you see, Sunday generally, Saturday or Sunday, I prefer to sing.
Yeah.
Remaining 6 days busy with the work, coming late nights. These are the days I will, as I told you, singing also one stress releasing mantra.
Yeah.
So that while practicing itself, you will forget all your routines. You will focus on singing only. I will practice for some songs, so 2 hours, 3 hours also I practiced it. When I am practicing, I am forgetting everything. Only focusing on singing only.
Yeah.
That is also a meditation.
Yeah.
That's improving my happiness.
So you're saying singing more is for you, for a meditation that gives you a happiness.
Yes.
And when you sing, then people outside, when they appreciate, it adds on to it.
He adds on to this and actually giving happiness to them also. Sometimes how it happens whenever some Sunday I have not given any song. Some people called me and asked, why didn't you release song today? We are waiting for your song. I am feeling happy myself, giving happiness to others also. That's again boosting my happiness further.
That is true, that is true. No, but how do you take critics? Like, some people might criticize saying that,
Yes,
yes.
yes.
Why is he doing every Sunday?
Yes.
Or some people might say that, his singing is not trained, like not like a proper full-fledged singer.
Yes.
Sometimes, let's say, your song does not come well, or if people, try to tease you, for example, or criticize you. How do you take those things? Because, like you said, it is very important to manage that also.
Correct.
For you to maintain your happiness, right? So, especially when you are putting something in the public domain, you are going to have people liking, you are going to have people not liking. How do you manage both?
Actually, I told 5 golden rules. In that, one of the rule is don't become the football of others' opinions.
Okay.
That is one of the golden mantra Guru is given.
Yes.
You should not become the football of others' opinions.
Yes.
Just you have to listen them.
Yes.
You listen their opinion, but take decision as per your wish.
As per your wish.
Your wish.
And it is your life.
It's my life. I am singing for my happiness. As I told you, it gives me happiness while I am practicing
And others
singing.
appreciating is only extra.
Yeah,
Even if
extra.
they don't do, it's okay
They
because
don't
you
do
are
so.
singing.
Yeah, I am singing.
Yeah.
That's giving me happiness.
Yeah.
So that I don't bother the comments of the people.
Yes. So, guys, another very important rule is that if you like something, doing something, and it gives you happiness, it doesn't matter what anybody thinks. Okay, it is your life. You have to listen to others' views, but you decide what you feel happy.
As long as it is not harming others. If it
Yes.
is harming others, we have to.
Be careful.
We should not do that.
Yeah.
Because it is a singing simply, they are commenting only. It is not harming.
It is not harming
Not
anybody.
harming
Yes.
anybody. That's the way I follow.
That's the way you follow. Okay, sir. And about health, sir. Other than, I mean, one you talked about meditation, etc. Can you give us some insights of how you maintain your physique, your health, general physical health? What do you do?
Physical health, as I mentioned, morning walking, 45 minutes brisk walking.
Yeah.
Walking means should be full energy, whatever maximum you can give in the walking, we have to give.
Yes.
Whatever the age, according to the age and their capacities. Then early morning, I take almost 3 to 4 glass of water, turmeric water.
You mean like one spoon of turmeric in the water?
Small turmeric powder with some 3-4 glasses of water.
Yes.
Just a little warm water.
Yeah.
Then food also I balance. If I eat heavily in Sunday night or sometime, next day morning I will take light breakfast. I will try to balance that. If I have taken heavily, immediately next to that day I will take very light diet. And drinking water. So these are the only basic things. Basic things I am following. Light food.
Right.
Like that.
Okay. And last two things, sir. One is probably for the viewers, one simple tip of meditation if you want to give. We have already seen one video of yours in which you had done pranayama, you had taught. But just a small tip for any meditation starter, what he should do. Like, should he just sit and then just observe his thoughts, or should he sit and just do a breathing exercise? What if someone wants to start? Sir, my mind is fully confused. I want to do something. What would you suggest? What should he start with?
Actually, this is actually Anuloma Viloma Pranayama.
Yeah.
Anuloma Viloma Pranayama, actually, if you see, it is a simple technique. It is a popular technique.
Yeah.
Many people does it. Actually, I given demonstration for this also. If you see, actually, we are having a right and left brains.
Yeah.
Okay, the nervous system entirely from the top to the bottom connected to left and right like that. It is Anuloma Viloma Prakriya, this pranayama will help us to keep our entire nervous system alert. We make it free. You can observe when you are doing this pranayama, you can feel your nerves are getting some freedom, stress free. It is a very simple technique. If you see, simply you can put your left leg with some chin mudra. This is called chin mudra.
Yes.
Posture. Just you keep it on your thigh.
Yes.
Right leg like a gun. Like a gun, you
This
have
one,
to
sir?
keep. This is a gun,
Yes.
exactly. In between the eyebrows, you keep.
Yes.
Then close your right nostril.
Yeah.
Then breathe out. Breathe out from the left. Then breathe in, close the left nostril, breathe out from the right nostril, then breathe in, close the right nostril, breathe out from the left. This is one cycle. One more cycle. Breathe out. This is one more cycle. Similarly, minimum 9 cycles you have to do
Okay.
while closing your eyes.
Okay.
You can feel the difference how your nervous system is.
Yeah, you feel a little
stress-free.
refreshed. Yes. Yes.
Refresh. Minimum 9 cycles, 12 cycles, 15 minutes also you can do. So many techniques are there. According to their choice, some people may be comfortable for some.
Yeah.
Same technique may not work to others, may not comfortable to do for others.
Others. Yes.
So that whatever comfortable to their body,
Yeah.
they can practice that and get the advantage out of that.
Like, one live example is you yourself by doing all the meditative techniques. Become stress free. So last one at least 2 lines you have to sing for us. Any song of your interest.
ఓ బంగారు రంగుల చిలుక పలకవా, ఓ అల్లరి చూపుల రాజా ఏమని నా మీద అలకే లేదని నా పైన వలపే ఉందని.
Oh, beautiful, sir. Beautiful, beautiful. So, nice talking to you, Naidu, sir. I think I'm sure all the viewers who are watching it are definitely going to get a lot of good tips for you. And always stay happy. And one final message to the viewers, sir.
Again, my favorite caption: accept the people and situations as they are. Live in present moment. Don't become the football of others' opinion. Opposite values are complementary. Good and bad, both will come. Accept as they are. Live in present moment. That's
And do what you like, and don't bother about what people say.
About what people say.
And live life bindas.
Live life with us. That's why I try to follow.
Okay. Thank you, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you.